Recognizing that resilience is a sustainability prerequisite for our regions, cities, and societies, we came up with a Living Lab Rescue Knowledge for Disaster Risk Reduction and Integration to Regional Resilience. Primarily, the Living Lab in Larsa will deal with the situation and the response to two recent disasters affecting the region: the COVID-19 pandemic and a magnitude 6.3 earthquake which occurred in 2021 and damaged dozens of buildings in the region and many infrastructures. Additionally, the Living Lab will aim at contributing to the design of a flood risk management plan in order to reduce the flood risks. However, the challenge of enabling knowledge for disaster risk reduction requires first to consider what is hampering the use of information and the development of knowledge amongst different stakeholders so as to improve decision-making for enhanced resilience. The recent disasters that hit the region have shown that this goal is a major challenge for preserving a better quality of life, sustainable regional development, and improving environmental conditions. The Living Lab will facilitate quadruple helix partnerships of research, education, local authorities, and companies from the region of Larsa and Greece. Students and researchers, in collaboration with the stakeholders, will identify the needed domain knowledge streams thematically related to the crisis and disaster management domain. Initially, in order to define the different domains of discourse which belong to the area of our interest, Living Lab participants, including students, will study the available bibliography and conduct interviews with professionals related to stakeholders' awareness, perception, and preparedness. The next step is to achieve consensus among all stakeholders for a holistic reference schema and a data consolidation approach. The final harmonized data will be used by an ICT management platform to assist in decision-making for a specific disaster or risk scenario. During the last phase, students, researchers, and IT companies will design and implement an integrated ICT software solution for real-time knowledge sharing, decision-making, and orchestration of the processes during a crisis or emergency event for the region of Larsa. Several meetings have already been held with various stakeholders. The main objectives were to take stock of the regional and national activities to date, including the changes and challenges posed due to recent disasters, discuss achievements, progress, lessons learned, challenges, and solutions, to identify the needed domain knowledge streams for the disaster and crisis management domain, to discuss solutions for data consolidation and linkage in order to be further utilized for the implementation of a common knowledge repository and advanced analysis, and to discuss member suggestions for the rescue work plan for 2021-2022. The meeting discussions fed into the development of the rescue work plan for 2021-2022. It was agreed the work plan will include the following components: design and implement the rescue semantic model to allow the modeling of the multifaceted environment that is comprised in a disaster or crisis scenario. Propose a data consolidation and harmonization solution to assist in decision-making during an emergency. And ideally publish one paper detailing the Living Lab outcomes and the results of our research, thus contributing to their sustainability.